And as we reported, road safety officials are raising concerns on the heels of Wednesday night's crash. The crash has increased the number of persons killed on the nation's roads since the start of the year to 144. It's the same number of fatalities as the corresponding period last year. With June being recognized as Road Safety Month, the Road Safety Unit in that Transport Ministry is warning that it now has the tools to identify and prosecute those who break the rules if they survive.
For Director of the Road Safety Unit at the Ministry of Transport, Kenut Hare, again, indiscipline on the road played a major role in Wednesday night's fatal bike crash. By his assessment, one rider failed to obey the fundamental rule of the road to keep left. But he notes that it also highlights another ongoing problem.
All 5 persons on the 2 motorcycles were without helmet. It further highlights the fact that we as a country and as a people really need to take this helmet wearing and this seatbelt wearing stuff seriously.
He says motor vehicle manufactured since the mid-1990s are all fitted with black box technology, where all driving information, including speeds, if seatbelts were being used, and braking and steering movements are all recorded. With the safety unit and the police now fully capable of retrieving this information, the authorities will now be getting tougher on delinquent drivers, especially speeding.
And some of these speeding is what I would term exponential speeding, because I have seen some speeds coming out of the black boxes that make my blood cringe, man. The blood cringe, man. Because I'm wondering, why is this person doing this on the network?
What kind of speeds have you been seeing?
I've seen speeds of over 122 kilometers per hour.
We're not talking about highway.
We don't have no. It's not highway we're talking about. I have seen speed over 100 kilometers per hour. Look here, the human body cannot withstand 50 kilometers speed limit, much less 122.
He says the ramped up road safety campaign has been having some success, as the number of fatalities among motorcyclists in western Jamaica has fallen significantly. However, with the number of fatalities the same as last year, the increased threat of prosecution and convincing family members to caution relatives are among the methods being pursued.
We want to implore motorcyclists across Jamaica. We want to implore the families of persons who operate motorcycles to begin to join that road safety train and ensure that nobody leaves their houses without the helmet on the head.
Herman Green, TVJ News.